Hello everyone, my name is Tyson and welcome to Tech Tuesdays. This week on Tech Tuesdays, we're looking at the JBL TUNE 700 BT headphones. So the BT is for Bluetooth, basically, obviously. So the reason why I do these videos is for a person who's looking into buying headphones and is not sure which ones to pick. So I'll tell you what comes in this box. So they're basically wireless headphones. That's where the BT is coming from. Pure bass sound, hands-free calls, which means you don't need to take your phone out of your pocket. You can just answer your phone using these particular headphones. So this is the box. I'm just showing you around to see what the box looks like. There's the bottom part of it, barcodes, obviously, and it just shows you what's inside the box. So without further ado, let's dig in and see what's inside the box. Voila! Yeah. So already I think you can see that they look really compact. I haven't touched them, I haven't felt the texture, but the texture looks very premium, I should say. Let's see what we have there. That's the quick start guide that comes with the headphones. I don't know why they still keep bringing these with a quick start guide, because you can still go on YouTube and just look for a video that tells you how to use them and how to switch them on and everything that you need to know. But still, it comes with a little bit of stationery. I don't know if anyone ever reads that. I didn't, I don't, and I won't. So we have two cables. One very short USB cable. This cable is quite short. So yeah, there you see it says JBL to show that it's original. We have a detachable audio cable for when you're out of battery and you want to use your headphones with a cable, like old school headphones. But why would you want to do that? I wouldn't do that. So the elephant in the room, or the headphones in the room, there they are. They feel amazing. The cups feel really compact. As you can see, they're solid, and I love the way they feel. I love when you put them on your ears, they really feel compact and they feel tight and comfortable. The back part says JBL, as always. They're lightweight and they have foldable design. This design really serves a purpose. If you've used headphones without that foldable design, you'll tell the difference. It really helps. So guys, honestly, these headphones, the design of these headphones is solid. It's premium. It's really good. And they do say pure bass sound, and the bass is quite good, I should say. Power button, light comes on, turns blue, probably for Bluetooth. It's probably pairing with something, I don't know. But all in all, this is a very good pair of headphones. It really has good sound quality and good feeling. So for $60, I think you're getting a run of your money, man. I mean, $60 for such good quality, very good sound. I don't really have anything to complain about these headphones. I use them every day. The battery life is quite good. I haven't counted, but I've used them for a whole week without having to recharge them. So you can charge them once a week and use them, I don't know, I use them for 8 hours a day at least, and they can take the pressure. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you want me to talk about in the next video, and I'm gonna do a review of these headphones should you want me to do it. So let me know in the comments what else I should talk about, and this is the first episode in the books. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, do whatever you gotta do to support a brother. Thank you. Bye-bye.